When it comes to buying a coin, you want to do your research. Don't just buy a random coin you've seen on a tweet. So you want to go onto sites like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. This is CoinMarketCap. Here you have basically the list of all of the coins that are available to buy and sell. You can search by different categories like Made in USA, AI coins, RWA, gaming, etc, etc. Now all these coins here are listed by market cap. So Bitcoin being the biggest market cap of 1.6 trillion, then it's Ethereum, Tether, XRP, and so on. So what you do is basically find any one of these coins, open it up, and here you can see current market cap, the volume in the last 24 hours, and then you've got really important things like the website, the white paper that you want to look into to figure out what this coin actually does and what its uses are. You can also check out their social media accounts, see what the community is like, what they're posting. Right, so once you've done your research, you know what coins you want to buy, you need to find an exchange where you can buy and sell these coins. Now you've got CEX, centralized exchanges such as Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, etc. Or you've got DEXs, DEX. These are Uniswap, Trader Joe, other sites where you basically need to link a wallet to it to be able to buy and sell. So it's a little bit more complex. So for beginners, let's stay to the normal exchanges known as centralized exchanges, where I will show you exactly how you can buy and sell coins through them sites. There will be links in the description to check them out. So once you're ready, you want to head over to one of these sites and you want to create an account. Here we have Binance. So you basically come here, you'd sign up. So now your account has been created and verified. We can then proceed to depositing money into your account. So head to the deposit button just here, choose your currency, and then choose one of the options below to add funds. Once that's been done, you can then head to the trade menu here, and you want to pick one of these options. Now we're only going to do spot trading today. That is basically where you buy, you hold the coin, and then you sell at a higher or lower price. Right, so now we're in here. You can basically search for any coin that is on the Binance exchange. Now let's go, for example, at Solana. So as you can see, there's drop down all of the different Solana pairs. So the pairs are what you're buying with. So in this case, I've got euros in my account. We're looking at Solana/euros. So here we have a graph of the current situation of Solana. Its current price is 111 euros. So down here is where the magic happens. This is where you can buy and sell these coins. Now we have limit order, we've got market order, and a stop limit. So we're only going to focus on market and limit. So the market is where you're buying the coin at its current price. If I was to do a limit order, this is where you're predicting the price to go, so you're going to buy at a better rate. If I think Solana is going to keep going down here on this trend, and I reckon it's going to like bottom out here, what I could do is I could figure out where that's going to be. Okay, so like let's say $74. I come to limit order and I can say, right, when Solana gets to 74 euros, I want to buy 10 Solana. And that'll cost me 740 euros. I then press buy. So I've now created my first limit order. Now I don't own anything right now. I still own euros. If this price never gets down to 74, I'm never going to be able to buy that coin. So basically this is just you just waiting the price to reach this level for you to buy it. Now if I want to cancel this order, I can just click on the cancel button and I can then adjust this to a high level, lower level, whatever I think. Right, so if we choose another coin, let's go to ADA, for example. We head down and you can buy on a market. So you can say, right, I want to spend 100 euros worth of ADA. If you're happy with that, you come down, you say, buy ADA. As you can see, the order's been created and the order has been filled. Now, if I want to hold that, perfect. I could just hold it, it could go down, it could go up, and then I could sell it when I'm happy to sell it at profit or loss that I'm willing to take. So let's say we're going to try and sell it. Exactly the same process. I'll come here and I want to say, right, I can use this percentage bar, I can scrub all of the ADA that I own, I'm going to sell. sell Almeida, and it's simple as that. Now, one thing to keep into account is that when you buy crypto, I do not recommend you keep it on the exchange. You always recommend to keep it on a wallet. Now, you've got wallets such as MetaMask, Phantom wallets that stay on your computer, on your browser, on your mobile device, or you can get a cold wallet such as a Trezor or a Ledger, where you send your crypto to these wallets that are not connected to the internet, and every time you have to buy or send your crypto, you can enter like your own personal code. It's a lot safer. Now let's talk about a few of the most common mistakes that people make when buying and selling crypto. Now, the biggest one for all beginners is buying into the FOMO. Another common mistake is buying and not having an exit strategy. If you're buying a coin, you think it's going to constantly go up, you're wrong. You're asking to lose all of your money. Not every coin will go to the moon. They all say they're going to have a point where they go up, then they'll drop. They may go up again and they'll drop. The market is never constantly up. It has to drop. People buy low and they sell high. Those that buy high lose all of their money, while those that bought low are making money selling to those that buy high. So be very, very careful. Now, also, if you're new to this, don't buy all these cheap meme coins. Most of them are scams. 99% of them are scams. Some can make you a lot of money, but the chance of getting the right one are so low, it's not worth it. You're better off just buying the main coins. Like, just stick to the top coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, AVAX, Chainlink, Sui. Coins like this, they may have less gains, but a lot safer. These coins will probably be around forever, where if you head down to the bottom here, it goes like page 6. Most of these coins won't be here in a year or two. The psychology of investing in crypto plays a huge factor. Now, it's probably one of the biggest factors. This is where you can basically lose the most amount of money. The markets play with your psychology to make you buy and sell. So when there's huge FOMO, they want you to buy. You might see it all over the news outlets, and then you think, right, I need to buy, I need to buy, I need to buy. And then you buy and the market crashes. And when the market is very, very low, same thing. News outlets, people are tweeting saying, it's now going to go to zero, it's over, it's over, it's over. That could be the best time when to buy coins. I'll give you one example that everyone I think has seen. So when Bitcoin was down here at $16,000, no one was speaking good about Bitcoin. They were saying it was a scam, that it got to 67,000, then it dropped down to 16. It was a big scam, they're stealing people's money, and it made you be put off buying Bitcoin.
No, 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 no.
But once all these big companies and these bigger investment brokers buy the coin very, very cheap, it then starts pumping up. And when it got to $100,000, well, every single news outlet was talking about Bitcoin at $100,000, creating FOMO, people thinking, oh, now it's legit, now I should buy some. It's trustworthy, it's in the news outlets. And what happened? People started buying it, it pumped a little bit up higher, and now it's crashed down. And now it's crashed down, you'll see people saying it's now crashing to the ground, it's over, the bull run is over, when potentially it may drop even more and create even more fear in the market. People will start selling their Bitcoin, and then it may shoot up even higher. So be very, very careful what you believe, and to think about it from out of the box. There's so much psychology in play that makes you decide your buys and your sells. Now, the moment you may have been waiting for is figuring out what coins I currently own and what coins I plan to buy in this next phase of the bull run. And we're going to do a trade together, because I'm going to buy a coin called Algorand. Right, so as you can see here, it doesn't have an algo/euros option. So I need to convert my euros into one of these coins here, so USDT. So let me sell all of my euros. I now have USDT. Let's head over to Algorand, Algorand USDT. And now I can basically set a limit buy. So what I'm gonna do is, I would like to buy Algorand when the price is 0.1. So basically 10 cents. 10 cents a coin. If I press buy, that's now created my limit order. Limit order to buy, price of 0.1. I'm buying 10,000 coins. And it's just cost me over 1,030 USDT. So this is one of the coins that I'm going to be stocking up on if the price drops to where I want it to be. Don't buy this just because I'm buying it. Do your research, figure out why you want to buy the coins you want to buy. But if you look here, so if this now drops down to 10 cents, what's down here, and can potentially do a similar pump up to here, to this 0.6, that is a 6x. Also know when to sell the coins if you're in profit. Don't be greedy, because that's one of the biggest reasons why you can also lose out. People ride these waves up, it gets to here, they think it's gonna go even higher, they don't sell, drops, no, go back, pumps a little bit, gives you hopes that it's gonna bounce higher again, and it keeps going lower and lower and lower. Before you know it, you've basically lost all of your gains. Algo is one of the coins that I'm basically buying. I don't own any just yet, but I'm buying it if it dips down more. Coins that I currently hold, I hold some Bitcoin. I don't have any Ethereum just yet. I sold it at $2,500 and it's dropping. So I plan to buy some more Ethereum as it goes lower. I've sold out of all XRP. I've sold out of my Solana. I own some AVAX. AVAX is currently one of my biggest bags. I own a little bit of SUI and a little bit of Polkadot. So these are the ones that I'm currently in. So that is it. That is kind of the how you buy and sell coins. I'll leave links in the description of different exchanges you can use. Like I said, check them all out, figure out what's best for you. Do your research on these coins. Don't buy random coins. Don't see a post and buy the coin, because most times you are going to be rugged. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave me a comment, leave me a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos similar to this. Let me know what you want to see next. If you have any questions regarding this video, anything else related to crypto, let me know and I'll try and get back to you in the comments.